In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and configure the Impress Agents plugin. Now, the Impress Agents plugin was developed by Agent Evolution and it's available on WordPress.org. But you can install it from the dashboard of your site. So this is the site that we're going to use. It's a test site using one of our Agent Evolution themes for equity. And I'm going to go to the dashboard of the site. Now, once in the dashboard, I'm going to go to Plugins, Add New, and I'm going to go Search Plugins. So we're just going to type Impress Agents. And this is the plugin here, Impress Agents by Agent Evolution. Now, I already have it installed in this site, so you can see that, but if you don't have it installed, you just click the Install Now button and activate it. Now, if you want to also link agents to listings, you will need to install the Impress Listings plugin. So, Impress Listings. Which I already have installed, but this is it here. You would just install that. And you will also need to link the two, listings and agents. You'll need a third-party plugin called Post to Post. And this is it here, Post to Post by ScribeU. I also have that installed, but to install it, you just click the Install Now button and activate it. So once you have these three plugins installed, then you're ready to start adding agents and linking them to your Impress listings. Now, after you have activated your Impress agents, you will have a new menu item in your dashboard called Employees. So we're going to go to Employees, Add New, and we're going to add an agent. Okay, we're going to put the agent's name here, John Smith. We're going to put a brief bio there. And let's scroll down, and this is where you put your agent's information. What did I call him? John Smith. I'm just going to put his title as agent. Email, let's put John's email. If John has his own website, you can put that there. His phone number. Also his mobile number if he has one. If you need to put your license number for your state, you can do that. Any designations they have, or they're a short sale specialist, whatever, you can put that there. And then their address. Okay, and then you can put their social media links. So if John's on Facebook, we're going to put that. And if he's on Twitter or something, we'll put those in as well. And you would put in the full URL to their Facebook page and their their Twitter account. Okay, now the one other item, we're going to scroll down and you'll see under discussion where it says allow comments, we want to uncheck that. Now, if you don't see that under your agent, go up to the top where there's a little tab that says screen options and check discussion. That will give you that option there. Okay, now before we publish this, we've got some other things we want to do here. If you have different offices, you can set up agents related to the different offices, and you can do it on the fly right here. Just click Add New Office, or you can do it in the Employees menu here. You can add offices by clicking here. If you've got different job types, if you're putting not only your agents, but say also your assistants, office assistants in there, you can have those different job types selected. Now, connecting listings. Now, I've already got the Impress listings plugin installed, and I have some listings put in. So we're going to connect John to some listings, and you just click on the link to create the connections. There we go. Now we can search listings. I'm just going to pick two listings here to connect John to. And then we want to add John's image under the set featured image. So I'm going to click this, and I'm going to pick an image from my computer. There we go. And set that featured image. Now once that's done, we can go ahead and publish this. Okay, now I'm going to add a second agent because we want to see what that directory looks like once we're done. So let's add new, and I'm going to put in Jane Doe. Now, I'm not going to put in any of the rest of the information, and I'm going to leave the social media blank. And I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to add a couple of listings to Jane. Okay, let's try Pinecrest and this one, and we're going to add Jane's image here. And set that featured image. Now we're going to go ahead and publish that. Okay, now that we've created the agents, we can go to what's called the employee archive. Let's go to the archive settings here, which will display all of your agents. Let's open this link, and there we go. See, we've got two agents. There's John Smith with his information, Jane Doe, and then if you click on the individual agent, it will bring up his information along with his bio, and will display his listings as well. Now that post-to-post plugin is what allows you to connect the listings post type to the agent post type. So you want to be sure that post-to-post plugin is activated before you begin doing this. Okay, now you'll see this archive page. The URL is Employees John Smith. We can change that. If we want to change that to just display agents, we can do that in those archive settings that we were just looking at. So let's go back to the dashboard. Oops, not the archive settings. You can actually add a headline and some intro text here. I'm going to go ahead and add a headline. Our team. Some intro text here, and let's save that and go back and refresh that archive page. See, it says our team, and then we can put in some intro text there under the archive settings. Let's go to the regular settings for this. Now, since we're using just agents, we want the link, the slug here, the URL, just say just agents and non-employees. So we're going to change that to agents and save that. Now if you change that, you're going to have to reset your permalinks in WordPress so that it updates all those URLs for that directory and for the individual agents. So to do that, you go to Settings, Permalinks, and save those settings. Okay, now let's go back to Employees, Archive Settings, and let's view that archive again. And you'll see now the URL says Agents. Now if we want to add this to our menus, in this case I want to add a menu item that says Our Team. So I'm going to use this archive URL, and I'm going to go to Appearance, Menus, okay, and you'll see now we have a new menu meta box here for the employees where we can add them individually. We can also do it by offices. If you've got them separated out by offices, those offices will appear, so you can list the separate offices and will list those agents, or by job types. But we're going to add first a custom link just for those agents, and I'm going to call that Our Team. Now remember, we copied that slug there where it says agents, where we change it from employees to agents. So we're going to add that to our menu now. Now let's go back to the front of our site. It's down here. I think I want to put that in a different menu, so I'm going to remove that and go to the top header right menu instead. And do the same thing. Custom links. Put in that URL. Our Team. And I'm going to put this under the About menu. And let's save that menu. And go back to the front of the site. And you'll see now there's the link for Our Team, and when you click on it, it brings up that archive page, that Our Team page with the agents on it. Now you can also add the individual agents, as you see under here under Employees. So I'm going to go ahead and add those beneath Our Team. So I'm going to add those to the menu. And I'm going to go ahead and save that menu again. Go back to the front of the site. Now go to Our Team, and you'll see now display those agents. So if I just want to look at Jane Doe, there's Jane Doe's listings and her bio. So that's how you install and configure the Impress Agents plugin.